What's up, guys? Welcome back to Build Cool again. If these are the kind of projects you guys like seeing, let's go ahead and smash that like and subscribe button. It'll really help out the channel. So today, we're back to work on our 1969 Cat 250X project. We're going to go ahead and do everything we can to get this thing ready for paint, which means this thing's got to roll. So the question is it going to run today? We're going to go and we're going to start at the front, work our way back, and then we'll go ahead and tackle getting that engine in there. Then we'll have to figure out a whole chain tensioner, so this may be a long episode. Let's get started, guys. Guys, we got a lot of stuff done here. We got the collars on the axle, we got the axle chopped down, we've got the spacers on the front wheel, new brake line on, and we got it all bled. So now we're going to go ahead, open up this engine, get it all set into place, check the oil, get some gas in it, and we can get this puppy fired up so we can break in the engine. Then we'll let this thing run the rest of the day, and tomorrow we'll pick back up and maybe get this thing rolling. Let's get going. Alright guys, at some point things had to get difficult. So it looks like the engine's not going to fit with the gas cap on here, which isn't a big deal. We'll go ahead, order another gas tank off the internet, and that'll take another week to get here, so we'll go ahead and mock everything up with it. Just take the gas cap off and we'll be okay. For the time being though, we're gonna have to wait till tomorrow to fire this thing up to break her in. This one, no oil. Every other one I've bought always has oil in it, but for some reason not this one. So we're gonna have to get some oil for it, and then we'll be able to fire her up. Let her stay here, she'll be nice and stable, and then we can move her in here and start getting things all mocked up. I'll catch you guys in the morning. What's up, guys? We're back. Let's get this puppy fired.
how to let it break in.
Alright guys, next day here. So we're gonna go ahead, get this rear end all taken care of, then we'll get the engine in, deal with the clutch, figure out a chain tensioner, then we just got throttle and small stuff, and maybe we can take this thing for a test ride. Let's get going. Guys, we finally have this thing put together and mocked up. I'm not gonna hook up the throttle quite yet. We'll deal with that after paint. That way we're not fighting it and messing up the throttle cable and that. So, let's fire this thing up, see if it rides. Let's go. And with that, it's alive. So we're gonna go ahead, call it a wrap on this episode. In the next one, let's go ahead and get this thing ready for paint. Before we get out of here, go ahead and smash that like and subscribe button, you guys. It'll really help this channel grow, and we can keep on building cool. So I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.